Hola, namaste, hello amigos. Welcome to Birds in Spanish Part 1. Today we will master 5 essential bird names in Spanish in just 1 minute. Ready to learn? Repeat after me, comment your favorite bird, and stick around. Let's get started. First,
Águila,
Águila.
second,
Gorrión,
Gorrión.
third,
Búho,
Búho.
fourth,
Paloma,
Paloma.
fifth,
Loro,
Loro.
repeat one more time with me.
Águila, Gorrión, Búho, Paloma, Loro.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Practice daily. Don't forget to watch our other series. Like, subscribe, share, and comment your favorite bird below. See you tomorrow.